Welcome to the Explainer. Today we're diving into a problem that, if you're a developer, you know all too well. It's that dream of building a powerful AI application that gets totally stuck in the nightmare of data plumbing. We're going to look at a platform called LlamaCloud that's built to fix exactly that.
Right? I mean, building with RAG, that's Retrieval Augmented Generation, it starts with this amazing vision. You see this powerful AI that just gets your data, your company's knowledge. But then reality hits. And that reality is usually a whole lot of messy data prep. You want to be the architect, right? You're thinking about the cool features, the user experience, but you end up being the plumber, stuck in the basement, wrestling with all this hidden, complex infrastructure just to get clean data flowing to your AI. And let's be honest, real-world data is never in a nice, clean text file. No way. It's trapped inside these horrible PDFs, these dense PowerPoints, these Word docs filled with tables and charts and images that make most standard tools just, well, give up. And here's the real kicker. This isn't a one-and-done job. Oh no. Your source documents are always changing, so you're stuck in this constant loop of managing the pipeline, trying to make sure your AI isn't spitting out answers based on old, stale data. It's a huge headache, especially when you try to scale. So imagine this. What if you could just skip all of that? What if you could offload all that painful grunt work and just get back to what you wanted to do in the first place, actually building the cool app? And that's exactly the promise of something like LlamaCloud. It's a managed service that's designed to take on that entire data pipeline for you, from the messy source file all the way to clean, query-ready context. The whole idea is you can stop worrying about the infrastructure and just build. So it all starts with the first piece of the puzzle, LlamaParse. You can think of this as a parser that was born for the generative AI era. It's built from the ground up to handle over 50 of those complex file types and turn them into structured, clean data that an LLM can actually work with. Okay, so once the document is parsed, Llama Extract comes in. This thing is like a surgical tool. You just tell it what you're looking for. You define a schema with, say, a customer name, an invoice date, a revenue number, and it goes in and intelligently pulls out just that information for you, delivering it as clean, reliable JSON. And then the final piece is the index service. This part handles that last mile for you. It automates all the chunking, the embedding, and the storing of everything in a vector database. It basically turns your whole collection of documents into this living, searchable knowledge base for your app. So let's walk through what this data journey actually looks like. It's a really simple 4-step process. First, you connect your data sources. Then you let the platform do the heavy lifting, the processing and indexing. And that leaves you with the fun part, just querying all that rich context from your application. And that connect step is seriously flexible. I mean, it's everything from a simple drag and drop file upload to connecting directly to where all the real enterprise knowledge lives. You know, your S3 buckets, Azure blobs, SharePoint sites, Notion, Confluence, even Slack and Jira. And you've got the same kind of choice on the other side, at the destination. You can go the simple route and use LlamaCloud's fully managed vector store. Or, and this is huge for a lot of teams, you can bring your own. It integrates right with popular databases like Pinecone, Milvus, Qdrant, and others, so it fits into the tech stack you already have. But, you know, here's the part that really makes the extraction process feel solid and trustworthy. It's not some black box. The entire system is built to give you citations and reasoning for everything it does. You get verifiable proof for every single piece of data it extracts. And the result is, well, it's pretty magical. You can take this monster of a 130-page financial report and just automatically turn it into a perfect, clean JSON object that has only the exact data points you cared about. And here's what that proof looks like in practice. For every single field it extracts, like the fiscal year or the total revenue, you get the LLM's actual reasoning and a direct citation, right down to the page and the exact text it pulled from the document. This is so much more than just accuracy. This is about building AI that you can actually audit and trust. So how do you actually use this? Well, and this is crucial, it's designed to meet you where you are. If you like a simple web interface, there's a no-code UI. If you're a developer in Python or TypeScript, it's a super simple drop-in for your existing Llama index code. And if you want total control, you can just hit the REST API directly. And that kind of flexibility unlocks a ton of different applications. I mean, you can see people building everything from pretty straightforward chatbots over their internal documentation all the way to really complex agentic workflows for things like automated invoice processing, contract analysis, or even generating responses to RFPs. And probably the best part, you can just start building right now. every user who signs up gets 10,000 free credits every single month, which is honestly more than enough to get a real project or proof of concept off the ground. So look, by solving that really tedious, painful problem of data plumbing, platforms like LlamaCloud are freeing us up as developers to focus on the thing that actually matters, building the next generation of really intelligent, useful applications. Your data has a story in it. So the only question left is, what will you build first?